my loves, we are back with another tutorial, and we are going in with the P. Louise Secret Center palette in the P. Louise eyeshadow base. Just going ahead and patting that in. And we are going ahead and going in with the shade Love Shy, and just going ahead and packing that on with one of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brushes. Then we're taking Dreamy from that same palette and somewhat blending that Love Shy shade out. And now we're taking the P. Louise Basic base in Winter Rose and just going ahead and cutting the crease. And then we're going in with Vivid Violet from the same basic collection. We're taking some eyelash glue and going in with the P. Louise pigment in GoldDigga and just going ahead and placing that in between the two colors. Then I'm just going in with Rude Boy Red in the P. Louise base and placing that under the purple color so we get a double liner type situation, and bring that out all the way to where the other liner is. Go ahead and blend that with a brush, and then we're going to start packing some shadow over it just so it's set. I'm taking the James Charles palette in You're Kidding for the red, and then here I'm just going in with that same base and making a liner and doing the same process over again, just on the normal liner area. I suck at explaining things. And here we're going in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, just patting that in. And here I am singing to you guys and getting very passionate about it. I'm about to hit a high note here. Get ready, get ready. There we go. Oh, that ugly singing face. Wow. And here we're going in with the Sweets Glow Kit by Anastasia, and I'm using the golden highlighter shade, and then we're going in with blush to blend my bronzer and highlight together. I did the lower lash line off camera so I didn't make you guys cringe because I was so close to my eyeball. And we are done. And that is it for today's video, my loves. I hope you guys like this look, and if you do, leave me a comment telling me what your favorite part of the look is, whether it's the gradient cut crease or it's the like double liner type situation. And let me know what you guys want to see next. Do you want to see another tutorial? Do you want to see a review? What do you want to see? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!